Hey guys, my name's Nate. I'm the Otter Outdoorsman, and I'm again joined by Cassie by popular demand to the Cairn Box series. And today we're going to be opening up the November 2018 Cairn Box. Wait, did I say Cairn Box? We have a pouch. Shouldn't know I was going to do that.
My own life was at risk.
I like doing gags on my channel without telling her, because it's better to get it.
Like the time with the banana peel.
Yes. I'll put a card up to what video that said. That's one of my favorite gags that I did. But let's see. Let's see what we got in this. Let's cover up my address, because it says in the back says sometimes you gotta think outside the box. I thought of that instantly when I said it. Sometimes you think outside the bun. I was like, wait, no, that's Taco Bell. I saw it while I was thinking of this. Let's see what we got. I also brought her in because she was wondering what was inside the pouch, and I was just like, do you want to just see what's inside the pouch?
I don't have the patience. Like, when something comes in the mail, I want to open it, like, as soon as I walk in the door.
Because she wants to know what's inside these as soon as I'm home, and I'm just like, okay, let me go film it. And I was just, you know what, no, just come in here. People wanted you. So let's see. And bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap is the best thing to get in a package. I'll take that.
Everything's inside the bubble wrap.
Oh.
Everything around everything? Okay. So the first thing is that. I'm gonna put that aside because that generally stuff. So the first thing that we pull out is, okay, something that we can't really eat because it requires processing. Performance oatmeal. Can't beat chocolate.
Pun.
Yay! Yeah, because it's beet, cacao, chia seeds, and almonds. And let's see. Let's see. For hot, it's empty contents into a bowl, add 1 cup of boiling water, stir well, cover, and allow oats to cook for 3 minutes. Cold / overnight oats, empty bowl contents into a bowl or jar, stir 1 cup of milk or yogurt, cover and refrigerate for an hour or overnight. Yeah, it requires too much processing for us to do. But it contains tree nuts, almonds, and oh wait, no, it's not the ingredient list, that's the warning. Ingredients. Rolled oats, dates, chia seeds, almonds, chocolate chips. You'd like that?
I love chocolate.
Which basically is just cane sugar, cacao liquor, or cocoa liquor, and cocoa butter. Beet powder.
That's where the pun comes from.
It's also, I believe, a preservative.
Oh.
Cacao powder and sea salt. A lot of that's also organic. This is not to get popped on camera.
Why?
They said so. Not sure why they sent us in a pouch. Oh, but if we'll say that the last one. Because this could have totally been sent to the box. Cascade Universal Power Bank. Plus
Travel case.
There's also food in there.
Why won't you let me look in there?
Because I want you to be surprised. I want you to be surprised. Let's see. Oh, let's use a knife. She doesn't like watching me use a knife. What?
Makes me nervous watching you use knives.
There we go. Compatible with smartphones. What's included? 5,200 milliamp hour compact external battery, micro USB cable, weave reflective lanyard, and a travel case. Looks like a lunchbox.
Yeah, I was gonna say a tuna can.
There we go. Definitely sturdier than a lot of our other power banks that we have.
We have a wide variety of power banks, some that are small and dinky to others that are massive.
Some of which I've gotten through this box. Actually, one of my first ones actually got through this box.
Trying to see if the box is waterproof. Not seeing it written on here.
Doesn't look it. Ooh. But here's a better.
Ooh, more reading.
It seems relatively sturdy. So it has a. It came with a micro USB. Unfortunately, I have a Samsung S9 and I need a different style of cable, which I don't think I have in this room.
Probably not.
No. So I might have to go grab one in just a second if we want to check it. But it did come charged, so I can actually test this out. Actually, I think I may have something just off camera that I can grab to test with. But yeah, so it gives you a light indicator to see if to also turn it on, I assume.
The LED indicator tells you battery life.
Yeah. You don't have to show them that, but yeah.
I wanted to.
Okay. Pretty nice and grippy. And a nice travel case, which you could use to hold other things as well. Just not a cell phone.
At least on our cell phones.
One second.
I like the texture on this. It's got like... It's not just smooth, it has like a grippy feel to it. I don't know what that's called. But it's like when you hold it, you don't feel like it's gonna slip out of your hand.
Okay, none of my USB powered light sources were just off camera. So, yeah. So, but it seems pretty light, durable, and I've definitely been needing another one because I think some of my older ones are starting to lose their life. So it's coming just in the time that we need it. So, pretty awesome. As I said, I always like having these around because they're great to take on hikes. Especially when you're taking a lot of pictures or videos with these. Let's move on to the last piece. Because we had the what was special about the travel case?
I couldn't find any information on the travel case at all. That's all about the charger itself.
My only thought would be as if the thing burst into flames, maybe it'd stop it from bursting into flames. The other thing was food. Ooh. We have Jones Bar, mango, almond, dates, and chia seed. Stop focusing on me and... Let's see, is this similar to the concept of a... Curious if this is the exact same concept of a... Yep, same exact concept of an RX bar. 4 ingredients. Dates, mangoes, almond, chia seed.
Sweet, simple, to the point. 4
ingredients. Which personally, I don't always like the bars as much that have a couple ingredients. Like the, was it the Nanner bar or something like that, or that only had banana?
Oh. Yeah.
And it's one of those, we are passionate about real food here at Jan's Bars. Leave the syrup, added sugar for your morning pancakes, and fuel your day with organic energy. Nothing added, nothing hidden, just real food. Welcome, simple energy. See how this is. So it's a date bar.
You can see the chunks of mango in it.
And it looks like a date bar. Once I get it to focus on. Yeah, it looks like a standard date bar, just with, you know, chunks of stuff in it. Break it in half. Here you go. See how it tastes. Big chunks of mango. It's okay. Weirdly, I feel like it could use with a little bit of sugar. Just something to sweeten it up. Even if it's just a tiny bit of honey.
Yeah, honey would be nice with that. The mango is pretty sweet, though.
Yeah, but it's the chunks that don't have mango in it that...
Yeah. Mine has a pretty big chunk of mango.
Mine had some chunks in one section, but if you're taking small bites, I don't feel like it has... Like, the parts that don't have mango just are a little bit more on the bitter side. Well...
And the chunks of mango are, like, huge.
Yeah. So those tend to be a little bit too sweet. It's not bad, though. It's just... I feel like... I don't know. I feel like it's trying to be too unique and trying to set itself apart from other date bars. Which, I mean, it's not bad, but... I feel like the mango is just too big.
Yeah, I wish they chopped it up a little smaller.
And then that would have dealt with the sweetness issue.
But overall, it's still a good, like, flavor.
Yeah. Nevertheless, not a bad bar. Just not my favorite. Not my favorite out of these.
Had better, had worse.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, so that's a Jones bar. Their mango almond date chai bar. Or their mango bar, because that's literally all that's in it. But yeah, so that's literally everything in this box. So you have the... So, as always, you get a chance to vote, and you can vote over Cassie's head. After I show you these, you have these. You have the Performance Oat. You have the Landers, that was by Landers Cascade battery pack. Or you have the Jones bar. It's nice having an extra pair of hands. Which one is your favorite? Personally, I'm for the battery pack. When it comes to technology on hikes, I really do like having an extra battery pack, especially when I go camping. I don't always use them all, but sometimes it's nice, especially at night, because sometimes I like to put on some music or watch a movie before I go to sleep when I'm camping, or sometimes like to have an extra battery pack when I go for a hike. So this is definitely a big hit for me. But anyways, which one's your favorite? Vote in the iCard up on the left. Anyways, my name's Nate, and I'm the Outdoorsman, and again, I'm joined by my wife, Cassie. And you guys have a good day. Let's have some fun. We definitely have. See everyone.